move around?
I like moving. Feel free to do like loops or something, you know, if it's like, or just like what I want to do this.
I just gotta move around. And to edge challenge, you can either pivot to the ledge or allow the wind as well. You can either pivot to the ledge, or a lot of Kirby's just go down, hop once and grab like that. If you, Kirby can short hop with the C stick or C buttons and make it on top. Yeah, it's like that. It's easier if you should be on a heater motion, but once you're like really good at it, it sucks. You can just run and do it like that. It works with all. It sucks. I usually do it from the other side. You can do whatever you want there. Well, I hit you, so you kind of fuck that up. But usually I just do like, I do back air, pivot up tilt, back air, pivot up tilt, pivot back. And then I'll do like platform drop, fast fall, pivot, platform, pivot, platform drop, fast fall, fair, pivot, up tilt. Or I'll do it with back air, that's shit. Then I'll go up there, like pivot, fast fall, flat drop. Kirby's, it's good to, instead of running like this, to run across, like, yeah, is that what Foxtron is? So, yeah, so you can just pivot up tilt anywhere, like if you're reading text. Or in a full hop back airs, so fast fall back airs.
Full hop there, fast fall there.
Yeah. And after that, you should just learn combos for each character.
I mean, my combo game